With 2/3 of sellers buying a new home at the same time, playing the timing game in a competitive market can be stressful and complicated. Reali's Buy Before You Sell program helps you buy your new home first, move in on your timeline, and sell your current home when you're ready. First, you'll fill out a mortgage application with Reali Loans. Next, find a home with the Reali app, and let us place an all-cash offer on your behalf. You'll move into your new place after closing and rent it back from us until your old one sells. Our expert agents will then help get your former home looking its best and sell it fast for top dollar. Finally, use the proceeds from the sale to buy your new home back from us. And that's it. With Reali, you can make all cash offers, minimize contingencies, and only move once. It's home buying and selling the way it was meant to be.